Well, Hurricane Helene is currently making landfall as a major hurricane, and we are going to see some rain out of it with the remnants of Helene this weekend. It's not going to be a complete washout, but you are certainly going to feel the rain and the wind into your Friday. That landfall is occurring right now. There is the eye of the storm, and it is now on top of southwestern Florida, and we are just awaiting confirmation of the official landfall that is ongoing right now as the wind, rain, and storm surge move on through. We're lately getting some reports of winds gusting to 160 miles per hour, and we do have some video from Palm Harbor showing you some of the impacts of Helene as it barrels down on the southwest coast of Florida. You can see the flooding rains in the streets, the camera jostling around as a result of the wind, and this one is really going to be one of the most impactful hurricanes to this part of the state in modern history. That video camera from Palm Harbor showing you Helene, and like I said, it is making landfall just after 11 o'clock p.m., and we're minutes away from receiving that official confirmation that a major hurricane status has made landfall. The hurricane eye is now over southwestern Florida, and we're getting those sustained winds at 140, gusting to 160. We can splice into this storm using our 3D radar tool, and you can see those rain bands surrounding the eye, and that divot that you see in the middle, that is the eye of the storm itself, that circular appearance that is now moving over the coast of Florida. We are seeing hurricane warnings for much of the southwest coast with significant and life-threatening storm surge. That red color right along the coast shows you storm surge that may approach 20 feet. Historic impacts are expected. Here is a look at the latest data on Helene, showing you that Cat 4 right now, major hurricane, and it's going to be moving to the north. It is still likely to maintain hurricane status for a bit, weakening to a tropical storm by the time it reaches Atlanta, and then eventually moving to the west ever so slightly. So what about our impacts here at home? You're going to feel the breeze. I think that'll be the first impact you noticed out the door. Northeast winds may gust up to 40 miles an hour. We're also going to see some rain out of it, but it is going to be much lighter. A northern track is expected, bringing substantial rainfall to parts of the southeastern United States, up towards Tennessee as well. Moving into Kentucky and southern Indiana, the heavy rain is possible. Now, there could be some winds gusting to 60 miles an hour in southern Ohio and southern Indiana as well. The weather impacts here going to be mostly in the form of some breezy conditions as well as late day rain. Cloudy skies to wake up tomorrow morning. That green at the bottom of your screen, that is some of the tropical moisture that's going to be moving on in late in the day. If you're thinking high school football, it's going to be rainy and breezy with northeasterly winds that will be gusting 35 to even 40 miles an hour. That Big Board Friday forecast featuring temperatures in the 60s might not be the best weather for the passing game or the field goal kickers with that gusty breeze. Scattered showers are expected to linger into the start of the work week. Not necessarily a total drought buster, but still several rain chances ahead for those who are in need of the rainfall.